Hello, nursery kids. How are you feeling today? It's Mr. Sheda here. Guys, do you like reading? I love reading. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a very special place for you to read, okay? You don't need much. You need 1 to 2 bed sheets, some pillows, and your creativity. Let's go check it out. Come on. See? Super easy, right? I have one of my best friends here, Josefina. I have a very special book and a cozy place to read. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.